truck wheelie contest. You're going to see them come up and line up on the white car. They're going to hit the car and see how big of a wheelie they can do. Now, if they go like this, is that good? Yeah. But if they go like this, it's better. 2 hits on the cars. Let's see who's got it. Where's my Samson fan? All right, that was his first hit. Now, coming for his first hit.
Okay, I need my bus drivers for the first heat race. Get your buses ready to go, please. Buses for the first heat race. Please go to your buses and get ready to go. You're up next. Bus drivers, first heat race. I need you to get in your buses and get saddled up ready to go. Okay, I need my first heat bus drivers in your buses ready to go, guys. You're up next. And this monster truck deal's not that long.
How'd you like to do that, Kyle? You'd be scared, wouldn't you? A little bit. I think I'd be a little scared. There ain't nothing to be afraid of. That's what makes it fun.
Alright! Just a little text to what you'll see coming in a little later on. Ladies and gentlemen, they gave it their best shot trying to save the equipment for later.